And good evening, dear ladies and gentlemen. As always, I'm LL, and today I'm going to be talking about this pretty interesting swapping website which doesn't require any form of a KYC called SideShift. And they have actually multitude of different coins being available on their protocol. So I think that's the best place to start here. So first of all, they are supporting major chains like Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, AVAX. We have ERC-20 tokens. We got Monero, Solana, XRP, and we have Matic on both chains. We have multitude also DeFi projects here, even SLP tokens. We have Wrap Bitcoin. We also have stable coins, even on SLP like USDT, which I'm not actually familiar with all. We have USDT on Liquid. We have USDT on SLP. And also we have Bitcoin Lightning Network and Bitcoin Liquid and Dash, Doge, Litecoin, and Zcash, both transparent and shielded transactions. And then you have their own token, which exists on ERC-20 in Ethereum, and also thing that is basically in your balance, where you can stake it out. Just a bit of a feedback in case the developers are watching. It would be nice to have an option that is on perhaps on Phantom or Polygon, on a chain where basically the fees aren't very, very high to do transactions with, because that's kind of inconvenient in my opinion. And before we go into the actual swapping process, I want to go a bit about the staking. So basically when you stake, you earn 25% of the revenue that the website is basically making. So they're distributing stuff to the holders, basically creating more value. And the estimated APY for this token is 14.2%. There's auto compounding. For those assets, currently 27 million have been staked so far. And also, they do have a referral program. Obviously, my link is down below in case people want to use it. And basically, anybody can generate their own. And there's like a restore accounts and things like these, and two-factor authenticator if you want to use those for higher security. But let's do an actual shifting. There's also a history tab. And also, I forgot to mention that when you do a private transaction, it will shield those out. So when you're going to be transacting to Monero or Shield Shikaz, they will be having these shifts like basically hidden out. So this is a great place to also money launder when doing. I'm not insolidating that type of behavior, but I'm just saying there's opportunities for doing that in this website. So what should we do here is I'm going to be changing Binance Coin into, what would I like to have right now? Well, I think I want to acquire some, let's take some very fast coins. So let's take Solana. And we're going to be first obviously pasting our Solana address here. Logging in, copying, pasting that here, shift. And here is the minimum and the maximum. So you basically decide how much you're going to be sending transactions, how much funds you're going to be delivering into. We're going to be swapping into the Binance Smart Chain here on my MetaMask. And let's see where it is. There we go. And we're going to be copying the address here where we're going to be sending those funds. And then we are going to be clicking send button. I'm going to be sending exactly 1 BNB here, clicking next, and there's a fee obviously attached to that, and we're going to be getting 2.2 or 2.21 SOL. So obviously there's going to be different waiting times for, you know, a different chain that you are going to be using, guys. So make sure that you understand not the risk, but there is going to be a form of a thing that also gives you network fees, and there's going to be apparently 0 on all of these. I don't know if that means there's going to be some cents being taken out, and now right now it's waiting for to sending the BNB, and right now we are the BNB has gone through, and we're going to be getting 2.21 SOL. We can actually go to CoinMarketCap and see how much that is being valued right now. And see, one Binance is 488 and we are getting $479. So we lose like $8 perhaps on the fee. That is pretty normal for, I wouldn't say normal, but pretty good rate for cross-chain transactions. And obviously there's going to be multiple confirmations on these, and we have to understand that now it's sending our soul. We can go into the Phantom, and you can do these transactions between all the different pairs, and voila, we just received the money. So that's how easy it is basically to use the SideShift. This is very convenient, no KYC, nothing. There's also a daylight mode in case you fear the dark. And now we have basically gotten our funds. There's also a history tab, which doesn't seem to update right now. You can also buy XI, and that's something I probably should have done just now, but I can do that later. And I can stake it, and I will be earning portion of the transactions that basically happen out. Right now, the shifts are not being updated. Let's actually refresh the page and see whatever the transaction has taken place. Yes, there we go. We are seeing our transaction right now there. We have done the transaction. It's obviously hiding the addresses, which is good. And that's pretty much it. And I always really like any types of, bridges. And those are very convenient and sometimes a lot more cheaper and faster than depositing into an exchange and then withdrawing from it and all that type of good stuff. Obviously, they have their own token already released, so we don't probably expect any type of airdrop for doing these types of bridges. There are other types of bridges who might do so, so obviously I recommend exploring those. But this is a lot more of a multi-chain project where you are transacting not between the blockchains, but exactly through multiple different chains here and assets. And they have a wide variety and pretty much all necessary things, the stable coins. Luna would be a nice addition here, wrapped USD. And also I hopefully think that they could maybe put the Xi into a different chain as Ethereum to kind of explore a lot more different opportunities. But thanks for watching. As always, in case you want to contact me, lightliger@protomel.com for business inquiries. Kind of very booked right now and very busy with a lot of things. So I might reply a bit, slower, and maybe I'm kind of delayed for future videos, but whatever. Here's also tipping address and things like that. If you want to support me, obviously use that tipping address, or you can just basically use the referral link for SideShift as I did. And also you can acquire it on Bittrex and Coinex. Gonna leave those exchange links down below. Thanks for watching. I will be seeing you guys on the next video.